What is up, everyone? This is a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the brand new blue color. As you see, the box is as it was on the 12, pulling the tabs at the top and bottom. You see the iPhone. There is no shrink wrap on this one, just a paper protecting the screen. I'm going to power that thing on real quick. And inside the box, you get your traditional lightning cable. This lightning cable is also lightning to USB-C, so you'll need a charger that's USB-C compatible. And as you see there, those are connectors. Your traditional paperwork. You have a SIM eject tool, warranty, and one Apple sticker. Now back to the phone itself. The new hello screen. That's what the new blue looks like on this bands, and in the back, it's a lighter blue color. There you have it. Now, as I mentioned before, the iPhone does not come with a charger, so this is the Apple 20-watt charger, USB-C compatible. So if you don't have one of these, you could buy this for about 20 bucks. It's a simple unboxing of this real quick. And as you see, it's just a simple wall charger. There's the... Thanks for watching, and see you later.